Alright, my people, welcome back to this channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Sunday Igboho not seeking asylum in Germany, says lawyer. Olashopo Ojo, coordinator of legal affairs for Yoruba Nation agitator Chief Sunday Adeyemo, fondly called Sunday Igboho, has said the agitator was not seeking asylum in Germany but has a residence permit in the European country. This is even as Oyo State High Court sitting at Ibadan will tomorrow hear his application seeking to move an order of interim injunction pending the hearing of the main suit for an order restraining the Attorney General of the Federation, Mr. Abubakar Malami San, and the Department of State Services, DSS, from further breaching his fundamental human rights. Meanwhile, the Federal High Court in Abuja yesterday deferred hearing of the fundamental right enforcement suit the 12 persons arrested at Igboho'S residence filed to be released from detention. Ojo, who is former president of the Committee for the Defense of Human Rights (CDHR) and legal advisor of Alana Omo Odua, told Vanguard yesterday, Sunday Igboho does not require asylum in Germany. He has a residence permit in Germany. His wife and children are there, so he does not require asylum. His wife and children are citizens of Germany, and so he has a right to reside there as long as he has his permit. He is not seeking asylum in Germany. Giving an update on the condition Sunday Igboho is being kept in Benin Republic prison, he said, being in prison is better than the police station. He has the right to visitation by his lawyer, wife, and well-wishers, but there is nothing like freedom, no matter how comfortable that place may be. On his state of health, he said, I spoke with him on phone. He is in very high spirits. He has not committed any offense, and he keeps telling anybody that he has not committed any offense. If anyone has committed any offense, it is the Nigerian government and the Department of State Services, DSS, that raided his residence. Raid is unknown to law. Raid means an attack to kill and to destroy, and it is unlawful and illegal. All they are trying to do is to look for justification for that raid, but illegality cannot be justified by whatever means. There is no conviction, he has no criminal record anywhere, and so the onus is on the Nigerian government to face the reality. That is my advice to them. It is not only Sunday Igboho that has been attending rallies in Oyo, Ogun, Kwara, Ekiti, Ondo, and Osun states, but millions of Yoruba also attended those rallies, and no single one of them was arrested. Similarly, Oyo State High Court sitting in Ibadan will tomorrow hear the application of Yoruba Nation agitator Chief Sunday Adeyemo, popularly known as Sunday Igboho, seeking to move an order of interim injunction pending the hearing of the main suit for an order restraining the Attorney General of the Federation, Mr. Abubakar Malami San, and DSS from further breaching his fundamental human rights. The hearing will be held at Court 7, Ring Road, Ibadan. Igboho had on July 23, 2021, filed a 500 billion naira suit before an Oyo State High Court sitting in Ibadan against the Attorney General of the Federation, Mr. Abubakar Malami San, and DSS over alleged breach of his fundamental rights. Other respondents in the suit are the Department of State Services, DSS, and Director, State Security Service, Oyo State. Igboho is seeking for reliefs that the invasion and the malicious damage of his residence at Igboho Villa 1, Dalak Street off Soka Bus Stop, Soka area off Lagos-Ibadan Expressway, Ibadan, and properties on July 1, 2021 by the second and third respondents is a violation of his fundamental rights to privacy and that of his home as guaranteed and protected by sections 37, 43, and 44 of the Constitution of Nigeria, 1999, as amended, and African Charter on Human and People's Rights, Ratification and Enforcement Act 2010. The applicant, through his counsel, Chief Yomi Aliyu San, is also seeking an order of the court compelling the respondents jointly and severally to pay Igboho the sum of 500 million naira as special damages for the damage done to his car and residence. He said the order of the court awarding the sum of 500 billion naira was exemplary and aggravated damages for breaching the applicant's fundamental rights in the course of illegal and malicious invasion of his residence. An order of injunction restraining the respondents, their agents, privates, and associates in other security forces, including Amotekun and anybody acting on their behalf, and or instructions from blocking the accounts of the applicant in any bank or placing no debit thereon and directing them to lift same where they had so acted, Aliyu said. Aliyu is also asking for an order of court directing the respondents to tender public apology in 2 national dailies for breaching the applicant's fundamental rights. He is further seeking an order of injunction restraining the respondents, their agents, privates, and associates in other security forces and anybody acting on their behalf, and or instructions from arresting, detaining, molesting, harassing, or in any way interfering with his personal liberty, freedom of movement, and peaceful enjoyment of his property without fear of invasion of his home by the respondents and their agents. He further asked for an order directing the respondents to return all the items legally belonging to the applicant which were allegedly seized from his house, which are as follows: 2 million naira cash, 1,000 euros, travel documents, including international passports belonging to the applicant and family members, gold jewelries and wristwatches, iPhone 12, mobile phone, Samsung Fold mobile phone, and other items yet unknown to the applicants, carted away by the second and third respondents in the course of their illegal invasion or raid of the applicant's house, save guns and ammunition invested by them from their armories, including 2 guns belonging to police escorts of one of the guests of the applicant and purporting same to be the applicant, the San said. Igboho, who is currently standing trial in Cotonou, Benin Republic, is seeking a declaration that invading and or blocking his assets and putting no debit order on his bank account is violation of his fundamental right to own property and wealth as guaranteed by 1999 Constitution and Article 21 of African Charter on Human and People's Rights. All right, my people, that has been it. So far, a lot of things has been happening, and I would like to know your take on this. Thanks and God bless.